Okay, so our journey begins here at London Heathrow. We're catching a RwandAir flight to Kigali, the capital of Rwanda. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. In the Airbus A330-200, for any aviation nerds. I'm not really one of them, but I watch the videos and I'm kind of slowly getting into it. But yeah, we're gonna find a lounge. I'm gonna relax for a little bit. Not got too much time because I left it last minute as always. And maybe get a little bit of work done as well because there is always work to be done. So I'll check in again once we're comfortable. Okay. Okay, we got some oat milk. Is this just butter or margarine? Just butter, some bread, salad bar. Okay, some potatoes and some nachos. Okay, not the most vegan friendly. Let's see what we have here. These are the drinks. This is all alcoholic, I believe. And this is just another quiet area. Okay. Okay. Pardon?
Washroom is outside.
Oh, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. Let's help ourselves to some bread. Two rolls of that. Unfortunately, the butter I cannot have. And a bit of rice, I guess. Yeah, not the most exciting plate, if I'm honest. Tomato soup, salsa. I guess you could have some salsa on the potatoes and on the rice. Maybe some tortilla chips. Don't mind. Excuse me, do you know where the cutlery are? Oh, just here. Oh, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. All right, let's begin with that. Let's drizzle some chili oil on my bread. Let's have the most random starter you can imagine in my little pod here. I know that was not the most exciting meal, but it was actually quite appetizing. So let me see. Excuse me, where can I leave this? Oh, just here. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. No worries. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, these caught my eye. Let's check if they've got any egg or dairy. Oh, egg noodles. I can't have egg. Let's see, what drinks do we have? This is ice. Oh, okay. Hold on. Green tea. I would say black tea. Will I be able to sleep if I have a black tea? Good question. Let's go for a peppermint. Peppermint tea, some boiling water. sporty water. Okay. Oh, is it this one? Ah, thank you so much. You're watching, waiting for me to fail. There's some cold milks over there. They're plant-based though, so don't know if that's any good.
It's great indeed.
Yeah, this way.
Left. Thank you.
All good, all good. How do you say hello in Rwandan? Is it jumbo?
Yeah, no.
Ah,
We say midway, mulaho,
midwe?
mulaho,
Molaho.
mulaho.
I'll practice. I have time on the flight. I can go ahead? In a few days. Okay. So I have some time in Kigali. I have 2 days. I'll go to Akagera. I'll spend time in the center. Yeah. Have you been before to Akagera?
Sorry?
Have you been to Akagera before? No? Okay. Yeah, just for 1 day I'll go there, so very quick. Yeah.
Thanks, where you sit down.
Thank you. Hello. I'm 3K. Hello. This way? 3K. Okay, this is me. Not good. But the legroom is nice. Let's organize ourselves here. Okay, let's go into semi-bed mode. Like so. Got this amenity kit here. How far does the bed go? Let's just check. So, as you can see, I can lay down all the way, and actually I have my pillow over there, but let's check the amenity kit, shall we? Okay, so in here we have this amenity kit. Inside here we have some socks, which is pretty standard. A pair of socks, an eye mask. Even though I've brought my own here, but never mind. A hairbrush, which I will not be needing. Some hand cream, which I probably will not use. Dental kit, which is always handy to have. And a lip balm, which I do need. And that's it. Go for this drink, which looks like some kind of kiwi or mint and lime. So let's see. Oh, very nice, very sweet. go now until landing. Welcome to Rwanda. It's very noisy here, so let's resume in a more quiet place.